Good morning, students. In this video, you will know what is the use of utility program and yes, how you can check whether your network is okay or not. Either your system is connected in LAN or it is connected, yes, to your internet. Okay. So my first part is what is utilities? Students, utilities are the special program that help yes a computer system to work more smoothly, my dear, efficiently and yes effectively, my dear. So what is the use of utility program? Yes, you can say first improving the performance of your computer. Second, provide security for yes from virus. Third one, manage disk space. And the last one, that is free disk space on hard disk. Okay. Now, one by one, I'm going to explain. First of all, check for virus. See, students, we are ignoring this one. Okay. And that is to not to be ignored. Okay. So you may have malware running in the background which is slowing applications on your computer. Students, viruses generally lower the system's performance, so you must have to yes install the antivirus software so that you can get the viruses present in your PC. Now, next one is free space on yes a hard disk. Okay, students. Sometimes yes you have 200 or 300 MB space left in your system, and that can cause a problem in your PC. So for doing this, what the steps that you have to take it so that you will not have a problem yes while saving or installing your software in your computer. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to yes going to my PC. Okay, so first of all, yes, let me go to the recycle bin. There I can yes go directly to my yes the PC. Now you have the different, my system is showing only one drive, but your system can have C, D, E, F, whatever. Okay, so here what I will do, I will click the right mouse button on my drive. Okay, now there you will get one option of properties. Now in the property you will see the general. By default your general tab is highlighted, my dear. You will click on general tab. Okay, and now first you have to check, my dear, whether I have sufficient space or not. You can see the blue color shows that this much already occupied. Okay, this space already occupied for my files folder, yes software, so whatever Windows operating system. Okay, this much area are free, that is 164 GB space still I have, so I will not do this one. Okay, because my system already having, but if it is showing here 300 400 MB, my dear, 300 or 400 MB, then in that case what you will do, you have to click on disk cleanup. What you have, so that you can have more spaces yes in your system. Okay, now whatever the unnecessary files will be there, that will be deleted. So this is my first step. Now student, the second step will be, if suppose you think that no, these all files are important in my system, then you go for your external storage device. Okay, external hard disk, and whichever the files that are important for you, you just transfer this one from your PC to your external hard disk. Okay, and then you can get more spaces in your yes system. Okay, Now students, the next step is you have to empty the recycle bin. Simply click the right mouse button and go for empty recycle bin, so that whatever files, deleted files are present in the recycle bin, that all will be deleted. Okay, now how you can remove the temporary files? Okay, there is also the steps, my dear. So for doing this, anyhow, you have to go to the control panel. So simply in the search box, I will type control panel. Okay, now I have entered here. Okay, now student, in this what I will do, I will search the network and sharing. Yeah, network and sharing system. Okay, now there you will see one option is there, internet option. This is the link, you have to click it. Now there you will see delete. Students, you must have to use delete, so that whatever the cookies, files, temporary files that you have, yes, that can be deleted. Okay, because sometimes this also take more space in your hard disk. So I'm not going to use delete because I have some, yes, cache cookies files that are important for me. But you think no, then you can delete it. Okay, now students, next one is this defragmentation. This you can use it. The information in our files change frequently, my dear. This result in gaps and spaces in the file stored in the memory, that is the hard disk, my dear. The file does take more space on the computer and may cause, yes, computer to run slow. So in this case, what you will do, my dear, first of all, you have to go to the Windows Explorer. Okay, so I am writing Windows Explorer, or directly you can go to my PC. Here I'm going to click on recycle bin. There I will choose the PC. Okay, clear? Now click the right mouse button here. Okay, there is one option tool, and here you will get this option, optimize and defragment drive. Listen, when you are clicking on this one, my dear, please check. It can take time, my dear. It can take, maybe it can take, yes, half an hour or 1 hour. You have to be patient, my dear. Okay, so that all the files will be arranged sequentially. Okay, as per the tracks and, yes, sector, my dear. Okay, students, sometimes it happens, even we have more space in our, yes, a hard disk, then also our system is slow, my dear. So in that case, which unnecessary application programs are running, that close it. Okay, so here first of all I will go to my control panel. Okay, simply, okay, directly you can go, my dear. Okay, now the next one, search for administrative tools. Yeah, here the first one. Now click on services. Wait, it is taking time. Now see here, many, yes, applications are showing running status. So which one you think that is unnecessary? Yes, that is taking, space in our processor, in our memory. Yes, that you can choose it. Okay, suppose I think this one, the second one. Click the right mouse button and you stop. Okay, now already I have discussed all the problems that you will face and how you can get, yes, more space or let your PC fast, my dear. Okay, now students, the next part, that is, yes, related to our networking part. Okay, see students, First of all, you have to check whether my IP is okay or not. So for that, first of all, I will go to the command prompt. Okay. Here I will use ipconfig. Now, here you can see, my dear, everything is okay. Everything is okay, my dear. You can see my media status is okay, my dear. You see, it is showing my link local IP6, IP4, that is okay. Subnet mask it is showing, and default gateway. It means my network is okay, my dear. But sometimes if there is the problem in your network here, it will show you. Okay. I cannot off my network, my dear. Okay. So I cannot show you, but you can understand by this one. Okay. That my network is okay. Okay. Now, the next part, you can check your network whether my computer is in a network or not. That means getting the internet facility or not. So at the right side of the taskbar, you will see an up arrow key. Click on that. Now you will click on this. Okay, this is the Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi. So when you will click on this, it will show list of Wi-Fi, and it will show one also that is connected. Okay, so by using, you can understand it whether my Wi-Fi is working properly or not, my dear. Okay, now if everything is well, then no problem. Okay, but then also you cannot be able to get internet or network in your PC. Simply click on the up right arrow key. Okay, here you will be having the network connection. Okay, so here you will click the right mouse button and then go for troubleshoot problem. Now where you have the problem, that you can go one by one, yes, to detect it. Sometimes if suppose you are using your RJ45 connector, there you have your LAN card. Okay, maybe the problem, it can be from the LAN card also. So you must have to check it, the LAN card is working properly or not. If it is working, then no problem. Okay, so I hope you have understood these all topics, my dear. Thanks a lot.